Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss Gauss theorem in magnetism. We have studied about Gauss theorem in electrostatics, but now we are going to discuss Gauss theorem in magnetism. Question is, what is this very Gauss theorem? Then a statement of this very Gauss theorem is very simple. Net magnetic flux through a closed surface is equal to 0. Net magnetic flux through a closed surface is equal to 0. It means that total flux crossing through a closed surface, total magnetic flux crossing through a closed surface is equal to 0. In electrostatics, we have studied about Gauss theorem. We are discussing about Gauss theorem in magnetism. Statement is this, but about Gauss theorem in electrostatics, a statement was long, and what is that? Total electric flux associated with a closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon 0 times net charge included by the surface. It means that if you have a closed surface, if you have a let us suppose you have a closed surface, and inside this very closed surface there is charge q. Question is this, what will be total flux which will cross through this very closed surface? Then we simply used to say total flux crossing through this very closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon 0 times net charge included by this surface, means q by epsilon 0. And here in case of magnetism, again we have closed surface. इस क्लोज सरफेस के अंदर जरूर चार्ज होगा, दैट चार्ज वाज मैग्नेटिक चार्ज. अब मैग्नेटिक चार्ज है तो भाई उसका तो हो जाना चाहिए उस हिसाब से. एप्सिलॉन 0 की जगह हो सकता है म्यू 0 होता, क्यू की जगह क्यू एम होता, बट दैट शुड बी इक्वल टू क्यू एम बाई एप्सिलॉन क्यू एन बाई म्यू 0. बट हेयर स्टेटमेंट इज net magnetic flux or total magnetic flux crossing through a closed surface is always 0, not 1 by mu 0 times qm, like in electrostatics 1 by epsilon 0 into q. Question is why? Then reason behind this is, let us suppose it is your closed surface. ये मान लीजिए क्लोज सरफेस है, एंड यू हैव अ मैग्नेटिक पोल. इट इज वेल नोन फैक्ट टू ऑल दैट माय डियर कि देयर इज नो एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ मोनोपोल. इन केस ऑफ मैग्नेटिज्म देयर इज नो एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ मोनोपोल, देयर इज ऑलवेज एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ डायपोल. डायपोल मीन्स magnet. It means that inside this very closed surface you have a magnet having north pole and south pole. Polar strength of both will be same or not? Now see here you have north pole. North pole is equivalent to positive charge, so field lines will emerge. Right? And south charge means negative charge. Field lines due to negative charge is towards the charge. In the similar manner, magnetic field lines due to south charge is, south pole is towards the pole, right? Towards the pole. Now both magnetic poles have equal pole strength. So what will be number of field lines due to north pole which will move away from the closed surface, which will emerge from the closed surface? Same number of field lines will enter into the surface due to south pole. It means that what amount of flux is emerging, same amount of flux is entering also at the same time. So total field lines which is as which is associated with this very closed surface, which is passing through this very surface is 0, and that very total field lines is known as flux. It means that flux will be 0, right? Flux will be 0. And due to this very reason, we used to say, due to North Pole, total number of field lines which will emerge from the surface will be same as total number of field lines which will enter into the surface due to South Pole. So total flux will be 0. And due to this very reason, we used to say net magnetic flux. Due to this very reason, we used to say net magnetic flux through a closed surface is always 0. Right? Okay.